Wednesday, March 20, 2024, looking at Bitcoin. And I did a video, you want to check it out, Bitcoin market cycles. This is a list I made here. This is the few that I was kind of interested in when I was doing my research. And then once I saw the cycle topping out up here, I was like, Then I started looking at the chart, so I figured I'd show you what I'm observing. It broke through supply zone. You had a high here, and now it's back in the supply zone. However, it's still in the buy. It's still in the buy mode. And looking at the daily, well, so far now a sell kicked in on yesterday. And if you look at the news, if you want Bitcoin huge upside, you got to accept its volatility, which is true. And then another question is, will Bitcoin rally after halving? So that's the question. That is what I'm interested to see how this is going to play out. So like, is it going to ignore? I think the halving is somewhere in April. And when that happens, is it just going to just skyrocket and ignore that cycle? That's going to be interesting. It's going to be the battle of what's going to happen. But nonetheless, I just kind of wanted to show you what I'm observing. The ones that got in here, these are the king, kudos to you. You guys rocked it out. This was a nice little move to the upside. That was great. That was the supply zone. I should have bought it, but I wasn't really thinking or into other things and wasn't focusing. But this was the move. So if you got in, you guys nailed it. This is another one I was into or researching. Algo USD, AMP, USD. I mean, these are at the bottom of the barrel compared to Bitcoin. So, but I was thinking of, riding this, or at least, there's probably still very much more, upside to all of this. But Bitcoin, I kind of feel like it's like an index. It's like it's leading things. So if it starts going down, it's going to put everybody down. And when it starts really going up and moving higher, it's going to bring everybody up. So with the weekly cycles on top, it's like, let me just wait for that wave to come up and I'll ride that wave with everybody else. But so far, and if it plays out, it might continue grinding higher and forget everything else. SHIB USD, it's on my list. And this could change, Polygon. I was already looking at some levels and just kind of seeing things. Dogecoin, I had to put it there because it's like a meme stock. But you can see that it got a nice little pop. Pull back. ADUSD. Ada Cardano. I was checking this one out. And XRP. Which is weird. It's like that much data. I think they took it out and now they listed it back in. So this one is like very controversial. Very risky. But that was my list. As you can see, I got Palladium here. I'm watching. But this was just a video to kind of show you that I did some homework. I did some work. But this is going to be interesting here. I want to see how this is going to play out with the halving. I want to see if it's going to take out that 73.83 and push higher, or is it going to correct from here? I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thought on Bitcoin.